Look, it's in slow-mo.
Boogity, 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 boogity.
Good.
Are you gonna get
What up, dog?
What's good?
You smell like beer. Wait, I want to climb it.
Hard.
It's literally holding my life. Well, stop! I need to get down.
No. Heaters. Little donkey legs.
Hi, donkey. Hi. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this donkey right now.
How wide he is.
I know. Have a good day, donkey. Bye. I love you. Okay. Goodbye. Hey. Wow.
Oh my god, make it cinematic.
And he's on a million different types of diet.
What time is it? Okay, so I got my heart going. Whoa.
Yeah, cortisone. So if it's like, and fix it.
Yeah.
As a kid, I'd get a shot from the doctor.
I'm waiting for the vampires to come out.
Me too. Let's go. Edward Cullen.
Edward. Where's Edward?
She's not even using her arms. That's impressive. You and decided you're the prey.
You're it.
Look at this ravine of ferns and clover, and it's really cool.